Hi guys, welcome to Mask Monday. So today I'm going to be using this Sheamoisture hydrating mud mask. You can see I got like fingerprints on it. So I want to show you guys my face up close. I literally just got out of the shower. As you guys can see, there's some like dry parts right here of skin. So I wanted to do a mask because my skin was feeling a little dry, and I know this camera is good for like blurring out blemishes and stuff. I didn't know how well you guys were gonna see it, so I wanted to do this up close and personal. So that's why it's like in vlog form. Look how dry this is right here. I didn't want to do this like formal in like a regular beauty video, and I wanted to do this in regular daylight. I don't have like my lights on or anything, so should I? Nah, we're gonna do this regular. And I'm going to apply this mud mask all over my face. I've used this mask before, so this isn't a first impression. It's like one of my favorite masks, but I figured I would do it on camera for you guys because I have never done a Mask Monday video. I've done a mask on camera in like one of my skincare videos for like Derma E as part of my skincare routine, but I've never done a video like just dedicated to masks. So I figured I would start this Mask Monday series for you guys and start reviewing different masks. What do you guys think? I mean, I am not a huge mask girl. I do wear them, but I tend to wear them just like when I feel like my skin needs it, you know? I don't wear them all the time. I do them just when I feel like I need to do a mask. And I just feel like my skin's been feeling really dry lately. And the great thing about this product is that it definitely will hydrate your skin, and it lasts for a few days. So I usually only have to do this like when I need to do it, maybe like every other week. Sometimes I do it like once a month, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't do this all the time. It says it's raw shea butter, deeply moisturizes and restores skin. The frankincense extract, it helps calm and soothe the skin. And it's myrrh extract, combats dryness with vitamin E. So this is a non-drying mud mask, purifies skin as it hydrates. Apply to skin for 10 minutes, avoid eye area, remove with damp face cloth, rinse well. So here's my thing with this mask, what you guys will see. If I leave this on for 10 minutes, it says non-drying, but this does dry up and gets like kind of hard. And you're not supposed to, I guess, leave it on longer than 10 minutes because it does dry up, which is weird because even though it dries on my face, my skin still ends up super hydrated, if that makes sense. I did put this on my Instagram stories once, and someone had commented and was like, you're supposed to let it dry that long. And I only had it on for like 10 minutes and it dried up. So as you guys can see, it's starting to, like, it's starting to dry a little now. So I mean, it says non-drying, but it does dry, and it's a hydrating mask, which you would think a hydrating mask wouldn't dry. It says non-drying, but it's a mud mask. It's mud. If you leave it on long enough, it's gonna dry. It is 3:42, so we'll take it off around like 3:50. Okay. All right. So I'll be back in maybe 7-8 minutes, and we will rinse this mask off with a warm washcloth. What do you guys think? See, guys, look, it's starting to dry, and it's only been a couple of minutes. I don't know why. I guess non-drying in the sense where it like doesn't make your skin dry. I don't know why they say that, because you guys, look at this. It's definitely drying up on my skin, but I needed this. This really hydrates my skin, so I'll be back in a couple minutes. So it's 3:45, so we're just doing a check-in really quick. Just wanted to show you guys that this does dry. See? Look. Not much transferring to my fingers. So it does dry on your face. I should have just turned my fan on and just let it do that, right? You guys can hear the fan, right? You're right next to it, so you probably can. So I just freaked myself out, you guys. I'm on my computer, and you know how when you're on your computer and it's like in the screensaver mode. So my own mask just scared me because I looked and I saw this white, like, ghostly, pasty looking face, and I was like, holy crap, I forgot that I'm wearing a mask just that quick. So I'm just like, what the heck is that? It's me. I just freaked myself out. How funny is that, you guys? Yeah, you guys, this is drying. What are we at? We're at 3:47, so about 2 more minutes. Totally dry on my face. Look, see? No transfer, totally dry. So this does dry if you leave it on for 10 minutes for sure. So I'm going to go get a warm washcloth because by the time I come back and wet it and everything, it'll be time to wash this off. So I'll be back in like 2 seconds, you guys. Okay guys, so it's 3:49, that's a little backwards. I am now going to remove this from my face. This is a little damp. It's very easy to remove, so don't worry, you guys. It's not gonna stay on your face. The only thing about this is I'm definitely gonna have to go rinse it real quick because I feel like this just doesn't get like it all out of my pores and everything. So let me turn my fan on so I can dry my face real quick. I just want you guys to truly see how this hydrates your skin. Okay guys, so I took the mask off. This is what my skin looks like. Can you guys see that all of those dry spots are now gone? Definitely gave my skin just a nice little glow. I wanted to show you guys in real daylight. I didn't want to have like lights on, you know. I wanted this to be like real. So you can see, definitely added some hydration to my skin. Now I'm going to look for a moisturizer because I don't know if I have any more. What is this? Let's try it out. It's by O'Shea. This came in my FabFitFun box, not to plug FabFitFun, but I've never used it, and I have, this is what I actually use, my Aveeno Absolutely Ageless Daily Moisturizer, but this I think is an oil-based moisturizer, is it? So it makes, I feel like it makes my skin feel a little oily. So let's try this new one. This one. I have not really ever used this, but we'll try it. We'll see. Okay, I already don't like it. And you know why? Because, I don't know. It just feels sticky. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if I'm feeling this. Like, I wouldn't put it on if I was wearing makeup. Ew. No. Alright, so, well, I already put it on, so oh well. We'll just have to go in with some more. Because it's too late now. Yeah, I was just going to use the Aveeno one, which I should have just used. I don't know why I didn't. But I saw this sitting here, and I've never used it, so I was like, oh, it's right there with all my other moisturizers. Why not? And, I mean, it did its job. I don't know, I just don't like the texture of it. Like, the Aveeno one feels way better. Okay, why is it, oh yeah, I haven't used this Aveeno one. See, like, the Aveeno one is more oily. See how shiny and oily my hand is? That's why I don't really like using the Aveeno one. Like, it's good, but it makes my skin oily. Now my skin's all shiny and stuff. Where this one, I think this might be a water-based aqua algae. Yeah, see, this is water-based. So this one doesn't make my skin feel oily. It did moisturize it though. Where this one has some oil in it. I can just tell by, you know, my hands. Alright, you guys, so put these moisturizers on. So as for this Shea Moisture Mask, I like it. I used it before, guys, so it's not like it's a new product for me. I actually just like this mask a lot. If you guys want me to review masks that I've never used before, please let me know. This is the only active mask that I have in my house, aside from those like gold things you put under your eye, which I just started using. I'm not 100% sure how I feel about them yet. I can do a review on those if you guys want. Actually, let me grab them so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So they're called iMOVIE Gold Energizing Eye Recovery Masks. They're okay. I haven't used them just yet. They come in a pack like this, and you just kind of rip them out and you lay them underneath your eye, and I guess it just gets rid of these lines or whatever. So I can do those in my next Mask Monday video if you guys want to see. These I got off Amazon by accident. So I will do a video about these. These will be my next Mask Monday video. If you guys want me to, leave a comment down below and let me know. I want to start venturing out and purchasing more masks and seeing how I feel about them and just reviewing them for you guys. So let me know if you guys feel these Mask Monday videos. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.